That's it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Thank you. We just picked up some food at the Unity Center here on Foothill. We're gonna go ahead and deliver these food here in Pasadena, local. Just making sure everybody's taken care of. Hey, Mr. Carter, how you doing?
Oh, okay, all right.
Hey, I'm gonna deliver some food. I'm outside.
Oh, you here now?
Yes, I'm here now.
Yeah, okay, come on, come on.
All right, man, no problem. Take care. Right now, seniors can't go outside because of the virus. They're more susceptible. I'm here for the Foothill Unity Center. I'm helping deliver food.
Okay.
You want me to give it to you?
Take it, yeah.
Thank you. So, knowing that I could help out, you know, getting food to their homes, it makes me happy. You know, brings satisfaction. Sorry I didn't call you. I called the wrong person. Yeah. Right now, I'm doing between 4 to 7 deliveries per day. I'm here to deliver some food.
Are you gonna deliver the food?
Yes, I'm outside.
Okay, I'll be here.
Okay, I'll be right there. Usually once I get done with my calls, I finish the day delivering food for a couple of hours. Helps out a lot. Makes their life a lot easier.